National Emergency Alert System, or EAS, test will be conducted on Wednesday, November 9th. This nationwide EAS test will be at approximately 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. This national test differs from the weekly tests that broadcast across no-weather radio. The National EAS test will utilize all participating analog and digital radio, television, cable, and satellite providers. For the National EAS, a single with code alert called the Emergency Action Notification, or EAN, is sent simultaneously to stations across the country. These stations are designated to relay national, sometimes called presidential, alerts to the public and other stations in their coverage area. Wednesday will test that capability. The role of the National Weather Service in the nationwide EAS test is very limited. The National Weather Service will assist in the nationwide EAS test by spreading the word and referring any questions from stakeholders and participants to FEMA. National Weather Service will step out of the way and reduce the possibility of confusion by not conducting our weekly NOAA Weather Radio EAS test on Wednesday. National Weather Service will not send any EAS test messages Wednesday through our systems, including No Weather Wire, M1 and NOAA Weather Radio. Again, the National EAS test will not broadcast on National Weather Service systems Wednesday. More information is available on the FEMA website, http://www.fema.gov or emergencypolicies_info.shtm.